All right. What did you do today, babe?
I made some things in the sun oven. Seafood. We made lobster and and noodles and all kind of vegetables. It came out good.
Zucchini.
Let's go look at it.
Carrots. Okay, and everything else. You made me laugh.
There she is. Look at the lobster tails in there.
I cannot see what.
And it's bubbling. So we're going to take it out and bring it in because it's showing 350 degrees and it's been in for 3 hours and you ought to smell it. I hope maybe we're going to try to invent a way to smell through the camera.
And what? You can't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's still on. Video me.
Okay. Hang on. Alrighty.
All right, this thing's so hot, y'all. You got to use something out to push down on it. Ay. Bug.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh my God.
Maybe I take the top off.
All right. Wait, you want me to take the top off? Oh, we taking it inside?
Oh no, you don't have to take the top off. You're right.
Yeah, we're bringing it in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eliana, you need to open the door for him.
Okay.
This is Eliana.
And it is so freaking hot in here. I really need to be a little taller to reach over here, but I got it. All right, let's go. Look at that.
I'm gonna put it on the stove and
Okay.
tell you guys. Bye-bye.
All right, do your thing, baby.
What thing?
I don't know, you gotta mix it up a little bit, huh?
Oh.
Oh my God, this smells like, oh my God.
Oh my God. Yes.
Smell it. My God.
It was good yesterday. It smells real good.
Yeah.
It's definitely done. I'm glad we brought it in.
So this lobster came from ButcherBox, and I'm gonna have a link to the ButcherBox in the description, you guys.
Description.
And if you want to join, you know, you can pick how often you want to get your box delivered. You don't have to get it every month. You can get it every other month. That's kind of what we do. And so if you join, you get $30 off. So that's what the link below will get you $30 off your first month's order. Okay, and you're not signing a contract, so you could get it this 1 month. If you don't care for it, don't get it again. You know, but you're gonna like it. It's all organic foods. It's and it's your meats. It's not meals. It's just meats, like your grass-fed beef and your pasture-raised pork and all your poultry. Even they have seafood, salmon and codfish, all you know, wild caught. And so anyway, guys, if you just give it a shot, at least 1 month, and try it 1 month, you get $30 off. Give it a shot. So the link is in the description below. Okay. All right, guys.
Make sure you go to it.
All right, guys.
Like us on YouTube.
Yeah, this is YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and like it, share it. That'll help us out. And we all kind of starting to beef it up a little bit on our channel as far as teaching, instruction on how to do things. You know what I mean? So we're doing a lot on our little 1/8 of an acre homestead here. A lot. We're doing pretty much. So got a lot of videos with a lot of things, but a lot of the most recent videos, I got a lot more explaining, more educational. Okay. All right, guys. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.